Why Apple Watch Say? All the essentials to help you be motivated and active, keep connected, track your health and stay safe. WatchOS 11 brings more intelligence, personalization and connectivity. With features like fall detection and enhanced workout metrics, Apple Watch Say is an incredible value. Stay connected, send a text, take a call, listen to music and podcasts, use Siri or call for help with emergency SOS. Apple Watch Say GPS works with your iPhone or Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Health and safety features get insights into your health, including notifications if you have an irregular heart rhythm or an unusually high or low heart rate. Get help when you need it with fault detection, crash detection, and emergency SOS. Automatically notify loved ones when you arrive at your destination with check-in. Simply compatible. It works seamlessly with your Apple devices and services. Unlock your Mac automatically. Find your devices easily. Pay and send money with Apple Pay. Swim-proof and fashionable, -50 meters water resistance, *3 finishes, and a color-matched back case made with a production process that reduces its carbon emissions. Easily customizable with watch bands in a range of styles, materials, and colors, and fully customizable watch faces. You can change your watch to fit your mood or the moment. A great fitness partner, the Workout app gives you a range of ways to train plus advanced metrics for more insights into your workout performance. And Apple Watch comes with 3 months of Apple Fitness Plus free, Apple Watch for your kids. Set up Apple Watch for those who don't yet have their own iPhone, so everyone can stay connected, active, healthy, and safe, Carbon neutral. Apple Watch Say 2nd generation is carbon neutral when paired with select bands. Learn more about Apple's commitment to the environment at apple.com/2030. Legal disclaimers. This is a summary of the main product features. See below to learn more.